What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another one. Trying to make y'all some more videos like I promised, you heard me? So, but look, like, subscribe, y'all know the routine. Follow my Instagram. Tell y'all people come follow my YouTube, all that. Instagram, Scotty Inked Up. That's SCOTTYINKEDUP. Go follow that. But look, like my roots was all like right here. It was just long, like it wasn't in my, it wasn't in my hair. And I just got up in here and just started, practicing. Cause I did start mine off, me and my girl, like we started these off. Like I started practicing and I showed her and then she, finished it off for me. So we already kind of had an idea how to do it. So yeah, this right here, like I work outside, so I be wearing a straw hat, and it just be pulling my hair out, right? Not pulling it out, but it just be, grabbing your hair, pulling it out the little interlock process or whatever. It just be pulling it out right there. So I went and got my little crochet needle, and I just started trying to pull that hair in, and it actually started coming out pretty good. So now I ain't got to, you see, I can feel those little strings of hair moving through my fingers. And it just going in where I want them, man. I'm trying to see my part back there. Like, I don't even care if it's not perfect. Like, I just, I just want it to be a little more fresher than it is. I just don't want it to be bushy sticking up like that. So now I can just kind of like, maintain my own hair whenever I feel like it. I know y'all can probably hear my kids up in the front watching their cartoons, but that's how I gotta keep them still while I try to do stuff. Blast the TV so they don't lose no type of concentration off of it. Little cocoa melon and stuff, But look, y'all can see, like, I ain't never did nothing to this one. This one don't really get messed up, but like, you can see like right here, like all that, like I'm gonna be able to pull all that up into that one. This one right here, I wish I had a before picture. It was real bad. Like you couldn't even see this part. It was just like a straight bush all the way across. And I got some more. I don't know if it go to this dread or that one. Look like it go to this one. It ain't gotta be perfect for me because I don't need it to be pretty. I just want it to be kind of a little neat, just a little bit. Like, still see the part, have a little character, I'm gonna get a little glance of the back. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do the back. I'm gonna have to get my girl to I know these got a little, I can feel it like that right there. Yeah, she gonna have to do the back. Matter of fact, I'm gonna probably make her do the rest of it, cause this trying to do it yourself is actually hard and kind of time consuming. But there go my kids calling me. I'm gonna get back to y'all.